Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our Appium install, upgrade and install series, in this video we'll see how to install multiple extensions, that is drivers and plugins in one go. Okay, in this video we'll talk about the setup command and desktop preset here. Okay, and drivers is Mac and Windows and plugins images. Okay, so what is the setup command and use of the setup command? The setup command aims to simplify the initial process of setting up the Appium, and second, it allows to install multiple extensions, that is drivers and plugins in one go without need to run individually. So what happens? Suppose I want to install the drivers. So what I had to use? I had to use the command called appium extension type driver. If in case it is driver, I had to use driver. If it is plugin, I had to use plugin here. Okay, install and I had to use the extension name, that is a driver name or plugin name here. Okay, multiple times we had to. So what happened, by using the setup command, I can able to install the list of, that is the list of drivers, in this case Mac and Windows, and plugins images. Okay, and we had to use a command called setup, and we had to use a pretext, that is the desktop application. We had to use the pretext as desktop. Appium space command is setup space pretext is desktop here. Okay, now we'll run this command and see what's the use of this one. Okay, first we'll open the command prompt and we run the appium command called appium space plugin. I want to know that plugin images plugin is installed or not. So I will use a command called appium plugin list. I will use list command to check the available plugins here. So in my system only the reporter plugin is installed and images plugin is not installed here. Okay, now I'll run this command appium setup desktop here. Okay, so we'll go back to command prompt and I type appium space setup, that is command name setup, pretext is the desktop here. Okay, so pretext is a desktop here. Okay, and now I'll run this command. So first is checking the compatibility, appium Windows driver, installing the Windows here. It takes few seconds to install the Windows and it is installing the plugins here. So you had a okay, once we wait here, once the image plugin is installed. Okay, see the Windows driver and plugin images are installed here. So you have to make a note of here is, okay, when you are running this command appium space setup desktop, the drivers in Windows, it install the Windows driver and plugin is images. If you are running the same command in Mac machine, it will install the Mac drivers and image plugins. So this thing you should make a note of it. Okay, when you are running in Windows machine, it will install the Windows drivers and plugin is images. And we are running the same command in the Mac machine, that is in terminal, it will install the Mac drivers and install the image plugin here. Okay, so coming back to our command prompt, here you can see, okay, it install the Windows driver and images plugin here. So once again I run this appium plugin list command to check the images plugin is installed or not. So you can see images at the rate of the version number 3.0.25. Previously it was not there. Okay, now it got installed. Now I run once again for appium driver list. So if you run this list command, it says Windows at the rate of 3.1.3 driver is installed here. Okay, this is how we can able to use of this setup command with the preset desktop. We can able to install multiple drivers and plugins in one go. Okay, this is the use of the setup command and the pretext as desktop here. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and happy learning. Bye.